In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add public holidays and national events to your Google Calendar. This is a handy feature that ensures you never miss out on important dates and events relevant to your country or culture. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Calendar website. Just type Google Calendar into your browser's search bar and hit enter. When your search results come up, make sure to click on the first result to get to the official Google Calendar site. This link will take you directly to where you need to be to proceed with the steps. The next step is logging into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address associated with your Google account. Once you've entered your email, click on the next button to continue to the password section. Now carefully enter your password and click next again to finalize your sign-in process. It's crucial to ensure your login credentials are entered correctly to avoid any interruptions in the process. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus sign beside Other Calendars. Click on this plus sign to expand your options. This will prompt a small menu to appear. In this menu, select Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where you can find a variety of calendars to add, ranging from global holidays to sports events. After clicking Browse Calendars of Interest, you'll be navigated to a new page. Here, select the Browse All option. This provides you with the flexibility to explore all available options. Take your time to scroll through the different categories until you find holidays, under which all the available countries and their national holidays will be listed. Now go ahead and click on your chosen set of holidays. This action will subscribe you to the selected calendar, effectively adding those events to your personal Google Calendar. You'll want to make sure that the holidays you are opting for align with your interests and needs. To return to the main view, click the arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you back to your calendar, where you'll observe the newly added holidays and events appear automatically on the relevant dates. You can easily verify that the right events have been added by using the arrow beside the month to navigate through your calendar. This ensures that all the key dates are now listed and visible within your calendar for your easy reference at any point in time. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar should now be updated to include all your local public holidays and national events. This feature is particularly useful for planning around holidays, scheduling time off, and making sure you're aware of all the national events happening around you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using your enhanced calendar.